All right, what up, y'all? So this truck keeps dying when it's being driven. Let's check it out. It's got a good battery, fresh, you know. Checked all the fuses. All the fuses are good. Check the fusible link down here. It's not blown, no corrosion. You know, we got a good contact up here where the positive comes out of the back of the alternator. Plug's good, it's all good. So let's do a couple tests on it. Says it's charging good, dash says it's charging good. We got about 14.5 volts. So the alternators on these trucks go from 105 amps to 130 amps. We're getting 28.9 amps. The electronics on this model, you know, they control the charging somewhat. It could be messing with it. So we're gonna take it off and have it tested just to make sure it's bad, but I know it is because when they're driving, the truck shuts off, the battery light comes on, they lose all power steering, all power braking. It's not safe, so it needs to be fixed. Let's get it done. Is it bad? Yep, it failed the test. Guess we gotta get another one. All right, I got a remanufactured one here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Here's the old one, here's the new one, 105 amp, 130 amp. Got the bigger one because bigger is always better, right? You know, they go through these things and totally rebuild them. So, you know, it's good to go. New rectifiers, everything, regulator. So this should last a long time. It's got a lifetime warranty. Let's get this thing installed. .14 volts. So we're getting the same amount of amps that we were before. This isn't that great a test. It's not gonna tell you much just if the thing's working or not, you know? How much power the truck's drawing. Oh yeah, she's running good. Plenty of voltage. All right, well that's fixed. Shouldn't be dying on him anymore. I'm not exactly sure what was wrong with that old alternator, but we got the new one in, so that's good. Check y'all on the next one. Later.